I think his TL is nicer, but I can't tell that to Brian.
They just don't know. They don't know what it's about, because I would never buy back my old car. Once I let them go, I'd never take them back. That's it. Sayonara.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another episode from Acura Honda Classic, and today it will be a second episode on a new project, Acura TL Type S. And today we will be working on a little bit on the interior. What are we working on, Brian?
Well, we are going to be working on the dashboard, and we're going to be working on the seat. Now, if you missed the intro, you want to take a look at that right now, and you'll see it right up there, yeah. And that's the whole intro, the backstory, and a little bit about that. So watch that video. Now we're going to get into the build. So in this episode, you're going to check out what the dash used to look like. It was cracked all over. It was really bad, and it kind of deterred me when I bought it, but I knew the guys could take care of it over at Acura Honda Classic. And then the seat, you could put your hand through it. Take a look at the seat. The seat was crazy. I mean, it must have been about 4 to 5 inches. So in this episode, you're gonna see the guys take the seat out, take the dash out, do all the work, and restore it back to its original factory condition. So
yeah. So just stay tuned, guys.
All right. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to replace the leather on the seat. Let's take a look at it. So this is the leather, and what's gonna go down is I'm gonna have all of the leather dyed after, but we need to get this replaced first. So we'll have it all fixed, and then we'll come through and we'll do the inserts, and then we'll do the black portions a few weeks later. We have someone that's gonna do it here at the dealership. This is Andrew.
Hi.
He's sick. And then this is the leather right here. He's gonna be replacing, and he's went ahead and got his, you got hog pliers? These are hog rings. Hey man, just wiping down the dash. Looks really, really good.
Man, the dashboard came out amazing, along with the steering wheel and the seat covers.
Yeah, I mean, I remember what it looked like, but now it's just, it looks like factory condition now. I found that for like $100 used. Yeah.
What I love about it didn't cost us a ton
Yeah,
of money.
yeah.
It's such a budget build. I
Yeah.
love it.
I mean, check out the steering wheel. I mean, for me, the steering wheel was fine, but the new steering wheel, it's just nice, it's slick, it feels like a new car.
I
Yeah.
totally agree.
And
Totally
it actually changed the shift knob too. So that shift knob is nice and crispy. And man, I'm really, really loving it. And I'm really ready for the next step. So
So the next episode will be jump right into the engine bay. Some oil leaks, a clutch,
yes,
and also a timing belt, water pump, and all the good stuff. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot more episode coming.
I think we got a few episodes within the mechanics of the
Oh,
car
yeah,
because you can't just get it in one. And
Yeah, we're really gonna dive in
Yeah.
on what we do. We really want to demonstrate and show you guys actually how to do it. So I think it'll be very entertaining.
Yeah, so I mean, on behalf of guys here at Acura Honda Classic, Mike and myself, Brian, we thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. That really helps to get it across, and I think we're doing some great things here. So we appreciate you guys helping us rebuild our community, and we'll see you guys on the next one.